This is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com doing a comparison video of our SPC031X Color Oyster. It is in the extreme 30 mil wear layer. And I just laid out 3 planks width here, so I'm going to just focus on that right now. And as you can see, it's got some wood grain. It does have wood grain embossing on top. Very light dusty gray, a little bit of cream and ivory. Just really light, soft colors. So this is for those that kind of like more of the French oak look, where it has just the light amount of character. Don't mind that dark board, that's flooring that's underneath. This floor, the oyster color, is overall a lighter color. Over here I have some really bright light on it. Just wanted to show you what it's like when I turn the bright light off. Now you have different kinds of light affecting the look. Got some overhead fluorescent light as well as some window light. It does warm up the look in the camera. I see it looks a little warmer than the reality. That's why you want to get samples. You want to be sure this matches your environment with your light settings. I'm going to turn the light back on. So next door, I'm comparing this oyster to Arctic Circle. So here I'm still focused on 3 planks of oyster. Now I'm going to go over and focus on 3 planks width of Arctic Circle. Really, overall, they are about the same color tones, except the Arctic Circle has the added darker character knots. So now I'll just focus on Arctic Circle and show you the overall character in it. We'll be offering the Arctic Circle in a 30 mil commercial grade wear layer as well. And if it's not here yet, it is on its way. Check with us to check stock inventory on any of the colors you may be interested in. Now again, I'm over here with the bright light. You can see my shadow. I'm going to focus on that and just turn the light off so you can see it change. And I'm still making a bit of a shadow, so I'm going to step away here. And as always, our samples are free, so reach out to us, let us know what samples you'd like to see. I'm going to stand back and I'm going to turn the light back on. And I just want to show you those colors are so close that you really cannot tell where the oyster ends and the Arctic Circle begins. The difference is the knots. So there's something for everyone with our color choices and character levels. Let us know how we can help you more. Email us at sales@WeShipFloors.com or call us toll free 1-844-356-6711. We look forward to hearing from you. And bye for now.